อันดับต่อไปนี้ขอเรียนเชิญพุทธศาสนิกชนสดับรับฟังรายการเสียงธรรมโดยพระครูวรสิทธิวิเทศพระอาจารย์สิทธิพรวัดพุทธประทีปเมืองซานฟรานซิสโกสหรัฐอเมริกา
ขอความนอบน้อมจงมีแด่พระผู้มีพระภาคเจ้าขอถวายความเคารพเถรานุเถระทุกๆรูปพระธรรมทูตทุกท่านขอเจริญพรญาติโยมที่ติดตามรายการเสียงธรรมจากวัดพุทธประทีปซานฟรานซิสโกประเทศสหรัฐอเมริกาวันนี้ซึ่งตรงกับวันที่18เดือนตุลาคมปีพ.ศ. 2565วันนี้ตรงกับวันอังคาร Good evening everyone Thank you for your joy as for tonight Today's topic is What is the goal for success? And tonight we try to bring topics about success, the goal. What do you have in your mind about success or goal? The first, every company, every organization, everything, everyone need or they want to have a goal first.The goals are very important about the company. Even your life, you have to need plan in your life. Even if not have no plans, how you will get success? You have to plan for the future. Plan if you are not.Successful, that's all right. You try for that thing and be not success even you start. You have to start first. If no start, how you be success? It's no start yet. Even you start, you feel down. You start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You feel down. That's okay. That's all right. That is for you start.The main things are very important about the first step. You cannot jump out. Some people they like to jump. Some people lucky. It's okay. Some people not enough energy to jump. They fall down, broken a leg. This is broken legs.Because your jump sometimes not the right to jump. Otherwise, everyone to start first. Start one first, and then 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Some people that is shortcuts. Some fail, some success.The some people say that means they have enough energy. They have enough to jump out. And some people that jump out, they are successful. That means he have enough power. He have enough energy. Examples are Thai boxing.The goal for become a championship, and also they have a plan, like a แสนศักดิ์เมืองสุรินทร์ The trainer they have they know how แสนศักดิ์เมืองสุรินทร์ is the champion of the world in Thailand but they have planned for the 3 step become a championship and because they can learn the future they can learn because they have the idea knock out only not just a fight and one punch have to be knocked out only and the trainers or manager trainer and manager they can read for the future this guy this boxer this can be championship only 3 steps because on the right hand side he's heavy if he punch something at the people 1 2 3 4 knock out like a Kenotan or George Foreman and Joe Foster they have the right or left heavy duty he can punch up the people who fighting them knock out that we call you have to go plan and go to follow and training where is your trainings even my English is not very good yet but we have a goal and we try we are thank you Peggy very much to helping to support my idea of statement and we learn from that after we learn from you send to me I learn and I keep in the mind and then we try to get the vocabulary and we try to remember that and we try to vocabulary and voice sometimes my voice not very good but we try my best we try never done everything like I say start like I said what is the goal for successful we have to start first we talking Dhamma online every day almost all is excess we have a busy with the ceremony we cannot do that and also we try to talk about the English and pronunciation try to talk every day and if you are talk every day you will get some vocabulary you will get the sounds mostly we go on the road on the outside of the temple I am read the alphabet of the letters they say on street even I saw some the letter I saw some the sentence and what he say we try to read and raise and ask them who close to me and say right or wrong or my sound what you read that the sentence and he said you're right okay good I write I try to dump I try to put in my head every learn something have to learn everything passed by eye I go to somewhere I saw the sentence or English vocabulary or whatever there I start to read and ask someone who know than me I am right my sound what look like good or right or wrong he said you are good your sound look like a not American yet but we try on my bed that the goal of that it's goal of that means one will be success from that what is the goal of successful that's coming if we are talking about Dhamma the Dhamma the Buddha said like for the Dhamma for successful the first thing if you want to the first step if you want to do something without patience, without love, without light. You cannot. Even easy job or difficult job. Only the first thing you have to say the first thing you have to like the first mean you like this job. You like this work. You like this company. I want to work. It's nice. Make me feel happy. Make me feeling so happy to work this. The first thing. Because right now some people do not work for long because they do not step. They do not like the job. And make them not so happy about it. But the good thing they have patience about 3 months. The job you hire the people are hiring or the company hiring to you about forget the job. The first thing they become patient for 3 months. They want to training about your job. They want training about you. You can do or not. The first step you don't like this job, can quick. You can quick and get other thing what you like. Some people like to work in the bank, in the counter. Yeah. The first time you for training for 3 months, you have to learn many things about office job. Learn this for the computer. And because they have some people telling about the people training like a senior people training about your job in the bank. After your training 3 months, you like this job, yet you can get the job. That means they can hire you to get a permanent job. If you not like, I don't want to work. This kind of job that's my type of job. You can quit the job and apply to other job again. Okay, if you want to get the real estate job, you want to talk with the people for trainings. The senior people they bring you to talk with the customer. You can talk. Let's start on 3 months first, and if you like on just after 3 months you like. That means that job with the computer for you to work, and then you can get a job, real estate job. That is an example. Even you work for lawyer, you have to learn how become a lawyer. How become a lawyer? Read more the book about the rule of the lawyer. Okay, book. That is after you, because not easy. Everyone, every job, everything not easy for you. Everything not easy to get. Some people they have to fight to get. Fight that means that you try to, you don't give up. Fight that means don't fighting with other. That means not fighting like that. Not fight. That means you do not give up. That we call fight. If you do like this, no problem for you can no give up. That means you can win. You can win 50% already. After that, you can win more until you the final set you get a win. That we call the goal for success. That is you like first. We call chanta. That the Dhammas, the Buddha tells all the monks, all the people. You have to be loving kindness. Have to be successful first, satisfied first. Everything will become along. to you. Satisfy, important first, and after that you can get it what you like. That is the number one. The Dhamma number two we call Viriya. That mean patient to do and do every time. Do not lazy about this job. That means you are light. You patient to do, try to do to get everything done, even 1 hour, 2 hours. That is okay, no problem for that. That's for example the goal for success for the Dhamma for successful. And also number three the Dhamma for successful. Chitta. That means mind. Your mind you want or not. And also consideration. Your mind has to be consideration everything about it. And the mind will become success. If your mind everything neat, you will success. And that one is Vimangsa. Back and forth, go and back. That means read and read, write and write, back and forward and back. Read and again and again and again. And then we call success Dhamma from the Buddha, he said. But today I summarize about what is the goal for success. The main thing, the first, time. If you want to get a job, the time is give you only 24 hours same. People can get the same. How to set up, how to arrange your time, how to arrange. Because everyone arrange the time the same. Give you 24 hours a day. They're working for 8 hours. 8 hours, 8 hours minus 24. About 36. 16 hours. 16 hours you can 16 hours. After you work for 8 hours, left 16. You sleep how long? You sleep maybe 6 hours or 7 hours. Not more than that. Not less than that. 6 hours or 7 hours a day. Minus 16, that means 9 hours. You have time for left for 9 hours. You can do. You go to red room for lunch, for breakfast, 2 hours. That means you left for 7 hours. If you do like this, don't waste your time. The time is important. Because the time is not just give time, you have to use your time nice and carefully. Because not too long, going to die. The time is going to pass by quickly. If you play and you waste your time, don't care about the time, that means you lose. You lose your time, you lose your mind, you lose your benefits. Even example. You are asleep how long? You go sleep at 10 o'clock every day. Every day 10 o'clock. Sleep. And get up what time? 5 o'clock. Or you leave late 11 o'clock. You get up 6 o'clock. For example, that's an example. If you get up early, even what time you go to sleep, go to bed, you get early, you can get more things. That means you lose more, that you have to sleep only 7 hours. The Buddha does not sleep too much. He wants to help the people. He want to learn himself. That is for the time important. You use your time right, or you keep the frame time you have to do frame. Just think about. Not just play time, play your time on the time. No, it's not the right the time. The first thing. If you want to